Hello you guys, so today we're going to be doing a CX-9 2007 that's using this slim key proximity version. We're just going to program the proximity part of it. It's using like a knob style. Keep in mind that when it's using those key does not have any chip in them. It's a old-fashioned key. So that's why it cannot be generated or anything like that. Usually you're going to need to use the aftermarket or the OEM. Doesn't matter if it's like the Nissans or anything that's using those knob styles thing. So the programming will be very simple. You're just going to go to Mazda. If it's an ADA key, you're just going to place the working knob key inside, and you're going to turn the key to on position. If it's an Oculus, you're just going to need to program that first. So I will program another key later, but you just do ADA key. So in this case, we're going to go manual selection. We're going to go to CX-9. And we're gonna go to add smart key, and we're gonna place the key. Do you want to add a smart card? We're just gonna press yes. So we're just gonna hit OK. We're gonna place it on the passenger seat. This is where the transmitter is. The lock will cycle twice, and then we're gonna need to press the unlock twice. So we're gonna press OK. And we just see those things cycle. We're just gonna press the lock twice. After we did that, current number of keys are 4. So this is how you're gonna program the smart key portion. And to do the regular key, we're just gonna do add key right here, but we're gonna cut the key first. So as you can see on those systems, the only word that the chip has existed, it's on the blade key. So after we cut it, we're just gonna program the blade side of it now. So just keep in mind, if it's an Oculus, you're gonna do that part first. So with having the smart key outside, we're just gonna turn the ignition to on position, and as you can see, it's flashing the immobilizer light, and we're just gonna press add key, and we're just gonna press OK. Turn the key to on position, and now you can look at the security light. And it stopped flashing, and you're going to see over here it's going to say program success. Learning is complete, and you press OK. So this is how you do this system that's using this credit card like thingy of the CX-9. And now, as you can see, also the blade is working, so everything is perfect. Thank you guys for watching.